Let's see how to post announcement messages in Microsoft Teams. Start by opening the channel or team where you want to post the announcement. At the bottom of the screen, click on New Conversation to start a message. Then click the Format button below the message box. It looks like a letter A with a pencil icon, and this will expand to formatting options. From there, select Announcement at the top. Now you can add a headline to grab attention and customize the background color for visual impact. And below the headline, you can write your announcement details in the body text section. When you're done, click Send to post the announcement, and everyone in the channel will see it immediately. And that's how to post announcement messages in Microsoft Teams. See you soon.